Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're digging into the top 5 best bike conversion kits, perfect for those looking to transform their regular bicycles into electric powered rides. We all want to make smart choices when investing in these products, so let's explore what each kit has to offer and see if it fits into our lives. If you're curious about any specific products, all the links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Just a quick note, this list is based on our personal views and takes into account factors like ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. Number 5, we have the BAFANG Wheel Hub Bike Conversion Kit. This kit is an excellent choice for cyclists looking for a robust and reliable option. It features impressive models such as the BAFANG G0900 with a powerful 750-watt motor and the G020 with a slightly less powerful but still impressive 500-watt motor. The design includes a brushless motor with a voltage of 48 volts, which provides efficient performance and longevity. One of the highlights of this kit is its compatibility with various wheel sizes, ranging from 26 inches to 29 inches, making it versatile for different bicycle frames. The installation process is user-friendly, with front dropout sizes of 100 millimeters and rear dropout sizes between 135 to 142 millimeters. With CE certification backing its quality, the Bafang conversion kit is a trusted choice for those seeking dependable performance. Number 4 is the CSC Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. This kit stands out in the market due to its comprehensive package that includes essential components like a rear motor wheel, a DC controller, and a power cutoff brake lever. However, it's important to note that the kit does not include a battery, tire, freewheel, or disc brake, which are available separately at an additional cost. The CSC kit offers an exciting range of motor options, with 48 volts motors available in 1000 watts and 1500 watt variants, capable of reaching impressive speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour, depending on various conditions like rider weight and terrain. The brushless non-gear hub motor is combined with a durable double-wall aluminum alloy rim, ensuring that you not only get high performance, but also durability for those longer rides. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their cycling experience without the need for a complete bike replacement. Number 3, we have the Someday 2029 Bike Conversion Kit, which brings incredible power and versatility to the table. This kit is equipped with a robust 2000-watt brushless non-gear hub motor, making it suitable for serious cyclists looking to maximize their performance. With the ability to reach speeds between 45 to 50 kilometers per hour, this kit is built for thrill seekers who love the rush of speed. It's designed to accommodate a variety of bike sizes, ranging from 20 inches up to 700C wheels, allowing you to tailor your setup to your specific bike. The Someday kit also features a 3-mode controller, providing flexibility for different riding conditions. Its compatibility with both V-brakes and disc brakes means you can choose the braking system that best suits your riding style, making this conversion kit a perfect match for those looking to push the limits of their cycling adventures. Number 2, we have the Kunray Go-Karts Bike Conversion Kit, a unique offering that's perfect for those looking to unleash their creativity. This kit is tailored for anyone wanting to convert their bike into a go-kart or electric scooter. It features a powerful brushless gear hub motor with options for both 2000 watt and 3000 watts configurations. What sets this kit apart is its impressive range of throttle options, including LCD throttles and 3-speed throttle settings, as well as a pedal accelerator, allowing for a highly customizable riding experience. The controller functions offer high and low speed settings, reverse capabilities, and even cruise control, making it incredibly versatile for various applications. Whether you're interested in building an electric go-kart or enhancing your electric bike, this kit provides the flexibility to tackle both projects with ease. Finally, at number 1, we have the Little TT Bike Conversion Kit, which is nothing short of a game changer in the world of bike conversions. This kit features a powerful brushless non-gear hub motor available in several wattages, from 250 watts all the way up to 2000 watts. With speeds reaching as high as 65 kilometers per hour, this conversion kit is perfect for those who seek speed and efficiency in their rides. It's designed for a variety of wheel sizes, accommodating everything from 16 inches to 700C wheels. The kit comes with a KT LCD3 display, which provides real-time data about your speed and battery level, enhancing your riding experience. While the battery is not included, the design allows for a wide range of custom setups tailored to individual preferences and needs. The little TT kit is truly ideal for anyone looking to convert their bike into a high-performance electric ride while ensuring top-notch quality and performance. Thanks for tuning into this video. We hope you found this information helpful as you consider the best bike conversion kits available. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest product reviews and updates so you can keep your cycling adventures powered up and enjoyable.